I'm actually out here for a conference, but I want to swing by Google, Apple, and a few other places. Google in particular, I didn't have to actually come this far to visit Google's headquarters. Well, their physical headquarters maybe, but their idealistic headquarters is kind of on Wall Street. At some point, a company just gets big enough that it's just motivated by growth, and what it needs to do to maintain that growth is actually prevent innovation in the industry. You think about a company like Google that got to where it is, being born in this cradle of innovation, Silicon Valley, eventually actually can't keep up with the little guys who do innovate. So it's in their favor to prevent that. And I think that's really what they've done in the publishing industry with like Google Ad Manager, Google Analytics, Google Chrome, AdWords, AdSense, Android, Google AMP, like the host of things that they offer to publishers, but kind of control how they work to make it work together to keep publishers from innovating and being creative and doing the things that they need to do to survive. So just something to think about, where Google's headquarters really is located.